Could robots take over the world? This question, once a staple of science fiction, has now become a pressing issue that demands our attention. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, the possibility of robots and AI systems gaining unprecedented control is no longer a distant fantasy, but a potential reality. This question, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now a topic of serious discussion among scientists, technologists, and policymakers. The rapid pace of technological advancement has brought us to a crossroads where the decisions we make today will shape the future of our world. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, or AI, and robotics is blurring the lines between fantasy and reality. Machines are becoming more capable, more intelligent, and more integrated into our daily lives. The implications of these advancements are profound and far-reaching. What was once the stuff of dystopian novels is now a tangible possibility that we must confront head-on. The idea of robots taking over the world is no longer just a plot for movies. It is a scenario that we must consider and prepare for. The future is unfolding before our very eyes. Every day we see new innovations and breakthroughs that push the boundaries of what is possible. The pace of change is accelerating, and with it comes both excitement and uncertainty. We are witnessing the emergence of machines that can perform tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. From complex calculations to intricate surgeries, robots are proving to be invaluable tools in various fields. From self-driving cars to surgical robots, AI is steadily infiltrating every aspect of our lives. These technologies promise to make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient, but they also raise important questions about control, ethics, and the future of work. This technological revolution holds immense promise, but it also carries with it the potential for unintended consequences. As we develop and deploy these powerful tools, we must be mindful of the risks and challenges they present. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, we must ask ourselves, are we prepared for a future in which machines play an increasingly dominant role? The answer to this question will depend on how we navigate the complexities of this technological landscape. The answer, as with most complex issues, is not a simple yes or no. It requires a nuanced understanding of the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI and robotics. We must weigh the opportunities against the risks and make informed decisions that will guide us toward a positive future. The future of AI and robotics is fraught with both opportunities and risks. In industries ranging from healthcare to transportation, these technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. However, they also pose significant challenges that we must address. It is our responsibility to carefully consider the implications of these technologies and to guide their development in a way that benefits all of humanity. Ethical considerations must be at the forefront of our discussions as we shape the future of AI and robotics. We must proceed with caution, but also with a sense of optimism and wonder, for the future of intelligence on Earth is being written right now, and we have the power to shape its trajectory. By fostering innovation and ensuring responsible development, we can create a future that harnesses the full potential of these technologies. The stakes have never been higher. The decisions we make today will determine the course of human history for generations to come. We must approach this challenge with a sense of urgency and a commitment to making thoughtful, informed choices. The decisions we make today will determine the course of human history for generations to come. It is up to us to ensure that the future we create is one where technology serves humanity, rather than the other way around. Let us embrace the challenge with open minds and a shared commitment to creating a future where humans and machines can coexist and thrive together. By working collaboratively and thoughtfully, we can build a world where technology enhances our lives and helps us achieve our greatest potential. The pace of progress in AI and robotics is nothing short of astonishing. Every day, new advancements are being made that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. What seemed like science fiction just a few years ago is rapidly becoming our reality. From smart homes that anticipate our needs to robots that assist us in our daily tasks, The future is unfolding right before our eyes. We are witnessing a technological revolution unfolding before our very eyes, driven by breakthroughs in machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. These technologies are not just improving, they are evolving at an exponential rate. Consider the example of ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI. This AI has the ability to understand and generate human-like text, making it a powerful tool for communication and creativity. This sophisticated AI can generate human-quality text, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. It can assist with writing emails, creating content, and even brainstorming ideas. It's like having a conversation with a highly intelligent, albeit digital being. The potential applications for such technology are vast, ranging from customer service to personal assistance and beyond. And ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other AI technologies being developed that promise to revolutionize various industries. In the realm of robotics, companies like Boston Dynamics are creating machines with incredible physical capabilities. These robots are designed to perform tasks that are dangerous or difficult for humans. Their humanoid robots can run, jump, and even perform backflips with a level of agility that rivals that of human athletes. This level of physical prowess opens up new possibilities for how robots can be used in the real world. These robots are no longer confined to the controlled environments of factories and laboratories. They are beginning to venture out into the real world, performing tasks such as inspecting infrastructure, delivering packages, and even assisting with search and rescue missions. Their ability to navigate complex environments and perform intricate tasks is continually improving. The implications of these advances are far-reaching. As these technologies become more integrated into our daily lives, they will change the way we live and work. As AI and robotics continue to evolve at an exponential rate, we can expect to see even more impressive feats of intelligence and dexterity from these machines. They will be able to perform tasks with a level of precision and efficiency that was previously unimaginable. The line between human capability and artificial capability is blurring, and this trend is only going to accelerate in the coming years. We are moving towards a future where humans and machines work together seamlessly. The future is arriving faster than we ever imagined. The integration of AI and robotics into our daily lives is not just a possibility, it is an inevitability. The question is, are we prepared for it? As we stand on the brink of this new era, it is crucial that we consider the ethical, social, and economic implications of these technologies. The choices we make today will shape the future of humanity. One of the most profound and potentially unsettling implications of advancing AI is the prospect of superintelligence, the point at which artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. This concept, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now a topic of serious discussion among scientists, ethicists, and technologists. This isn't just about machines becoming faster at calculating numbers or processing information. It's about them potentially outstripping our ability to think, understand, and even innovate. Imagine a world where machines can solve problems that have stumped humanity for centuries, or where they can create art and music that touch the depths of our souls. It's about them potentially outstripping our ability to think, understand, and even innovate. The implications of this are vast and far-reaching. For instance, an AI that can outsmart humans in strategic games could also outmaneuver us in real-world scenarios, from business negotiations to military strategies. Imagine an AI system that can not only access and process all the information on the internet, but can also analyze and synthesize it at speeds we can't even fathom. Such a system could predict market trends, diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy, and even foresee natural disasters before they occur. This system could potentially make scientific breakthroughs, compose symphonies, or even manipulate global financial markets in ways that we, with our limited cognitive abilities, could never hope to comprehend. The potential for innovation is staggering, but so is the potential for misuse. The control of critical infrastructure, power grids, transportation systems, financial networks, could also be vulnerable to a superintelligent AI. If such a system were to malfunction or be maliciously manipulated, the consequences could be dire. While this might sound like the plot of a Hollywood blockbuster, the potential risks are very real. The idea of an AI going rogue and causing widespread chaos is not just a cinematic trope. It's a scenario that experts are actively trying to prevent. A system capable of outthinking its creators could, intentionally or unintentionally, cause significant disruption or even catastrophic damage. The stakes are incredibly high and the margin for error is slim. The development of superintelligence is not necessarily imminent, but it is a possibility that we need to consider seriously. Researchers are working tirelessly to understand the implications and to develop safeguards that can prevent potential disasters. The ethical and existential questions it raises are profound and demand our attention. How do we ensure that these powerful systems are used for the greater good? What moral framework should guide their development and deployment? How do we ensure that such powerful systems remain under human control? The challenge is to create AI that is not only intelligent but also aligned with human values and ethics. How do we instill in them values aligned with our own? This involves not just technical solutions, but also philosophical and ethical considerations. We need to teach AI systems to understand and respect human values. These are questions that we as a species need to grapple with sooner rather than later. The future of AI holds incredible promise, but it also poses significant challenges that we must address with urgency and care. The rise of robots and AI is already having a tangible impact on the job market, and this trend is only going to accelerate in the coming years. As machines become increasingly sophisticated, they're becoming capable of performing a wider range of tasks, often more efficiently and cost-effectively than their human counterparts. Manufacturing jobs, once a mainstay of the middle class, are being automated at an alarming rate. Robots don't need breaks, don't demand raises, and can work tirelessly around the clock. This makes them an attractive alternative to human workers, particularly in industries where profit margins are thin and competition is fierce. But it's not just blue-collar jobs that are at risk. Artificial intelligence is also making inroads into white-collar professions such as law, finance, and even medicine. Software programs can now analyze legal documents, generate financial reports, and even assist with medical diagnoses with a level of accuracy that rivals that of human professionals. This shift towards automation is raising concerns about widespread job displacement and the potential for social and economic upheaval. What happens when millions of people find themselves without work, their skills obsolete in a world increasingly reliant on machines? How do we ensure that the benefits of automation are shared equitably rather than exacerbating existing inequalities?